All right, welcome to day 15, Web Attack Forensics, Drone Alone. This one you need a VM, which your Splunk is going to be on, and an attack box to access that Splunk instance. It says it takes 3 minutes for Splunk to fully boot up. My experience just now was more like 10. But once you get that up, we're going to go ahead and sign in with Blue Pass. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we don't want to save that. And I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom to see if we can just run like the last command it specifies. And see if that works. Copy that, put it into my little paste bucket here. Close that. We get here, we want to run a search. It's actually here, it's cool. So instead of last 24 hours, I'm going to say all time because I have no idea when this happened, but usually, oh, that's interesting. So nothing. Huh. If your defenses are correctly, this query is 0, 0. Huh. Alright, so never ran. Let's see if anybody ever did a who am I. I keep forgetting I have to copy paste over here. I don't know why it forces me to do this. It only happens during the Advent challenge, but that's what happens. Okay, so we have some who am I's that were run. So then I want to see web app server. Where was the incoming user? Was Apache. It says only came from one source, one log operational. And we see the IP that this came from, like source IP. I'm looking for something like that. Log and ID. Host. Web app server. Huh. Parent user. Parent process. Parent UID. Login ID. Login GUI ID. Ah, okay. This doesn't give me a lot. I was looking for like the IP address this came from, but it's not giving me that. Let's try this. Suspicious creation from Apache. Hello.bat. That doesn't seem terrible. Doesn't seem malicious. Then we got Apache 24 running. Hello bat. Apache 24. Hello bat after command exe. Here we go. HTTPD exe. This is what we're looking for, right? Okay, so this is the strongest indication that web attack penetrated the operating system. Let's see if we can answer any of these questions. What is their constant's executable name? I think it was HTTPD, right? HTTPD.exe. Huh. Yeah, but it's not really long enough. HTTPD is all it is, .exe. So I don't think that's the answer here. it's hello.bat either. No. httpd.exe. That's what we have here. httpd.exe. And that is that long enough? No, it's 2 dots. It's not long enough, so that's not it. Let's go up here more. Let's see. About this one. This is hello.bat. So that I didn't think that was it, but or is it PowerShell.exe? Is that the thing that we need to worry about? No. No. That is PowerShell. So that's the executable that they attempted to run through the command line injection. Okay, so what is a reconnaissance file name? Okay, well, reconnaissance is something you do first. So maybe it's like one of the very first things here that we should search for. Let's see. So that's the base 64 stuff that we're supposed to look up here. Okay, so we're supposed to look up this base 64 stuff using this base64decode.org. So it's going to do it in here, so I don't have to copy and paste everywhere. base64decode.org. So that's that. Okay, let's decode it. Well, I'm gonna do something right there. Decode from base 64 format, UTF, flag mode off. Mine looks just like theirs, but I don't get any results. I get, this is now mine. Woo-ha-ha-ha-ha-ha. Okay, so is that an answer that I can use? What is the reconnaissance executable name? Well, if we go over here, he's running PowerShell and command. Are these different? Looks like the same thing. EAAA. CMD exe. That's all running in a hello bat. What is your constant's executable name? Well, bat's executable, but so is PowerShell. But we already use PowerShell here. I don't think it's hello.bat, but that's not it, because it's not long enough. I have no idea. I don't see anything that looks like an executable. It says this is now mine. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Execute systems through a vulnerable CGI script called hello.bat. But that can't be the answer because it's not long enough. So we decoded it and it says this is now mine. And now we're looking for other suspicious stuff. This is PowerShell. That was our answer to the last one. Is that hello.bat question mark? No, I don't think so. Is it HTTP? Oh, is it star? Ah, let's try this. We're looking for the parent image of httpd.exe. Da, 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 da. Hello.bat is what's running it. I'm looking to see if anything else is running. Here's httpd.exe. But that's not the answer because it doesn't fit. HTTPD doesn't fit. And it's not hello.bat. It's not hello.bat because that doesn't fit either. HTTPD exe. Command exe hello bat httpd.exe. What is Reconnaissance executable name? I'm not seeing it, and I think it's going to be something ridiculous. So that doesn't have any results. Is it whoami.exe? Will that fit? Oh my god. Okay, so the whoami.exe is right here, but it looks like it's actual an image that they're running. So we needed to go look at this, which I thought we ran at one time. Oh, I gotta do it here. So whoami.exe. That was it. All right. So we found it, and that's the end of today, and we'll see you tomorrow.